Well, that was the video to explain it, and are you ready, Cliff?
There we go. We will hear them calling in support from elsewhere on the task group, no doubt in a moment or two. That task group is a selection of ships that's been selected, put together for a mission of this nature. Here come the two Wildcats, again engaged by the helicopter that we mentioned earlier, which has got two Royal Marine snipers from 4-3 Commando Fleet Protection Group on board, and she is going to be looking for pirate craft as well as that pirate camp. So you see the Merlin is taking up a safe position. The pirates' fire indiscipline is really sort of starting to deplete their ammunition around a little, so I have no doubt that will prove to their detriment later when the Royal Marines come ashore. So back to the pirate craft, and you can see the rope is now coming out from the Wildcat. Really difficult and sensitive, tricky manoeuvre this. The pilot is holding the hover. The whole time they are hailing the pirate craft on maritime VHF, ordering them to heave to, to stop and be prepared to be boarded by the Royal Navy. Back to the pirate ship, you can see that she is taking up position sort of centre beach with that second Wildcat over the top of her. The rest of the boarding will start to unfurl, and that pirate ship will be very much back in naval service hands. In reality, what will happen now would be a process of exploitation of the J2, of the intelligence picture that we glean from that pirate craft. It could be nothing, it could be laptops, it could be papers, as well as looking for narcotics or other illegally held substances. All this will be played back to the RFA Argus, to the task force commander, in order for him to assess exactly what to do next. Further protection and overwatch, you'll see that Merlin with those sniper teams closing on the beach. An absolutely integral skill of the Royal Marines and the Royal Navy. Do that today as the beach is pretty packed, so we've got them ready to go here on the side of the beach, but we'll see them. In reality, they would have tracked up through the surf, through the jungle, ready to strike that pirate camp. So this is the moment of an amphibious operation when the action moves from sea to land, so that very fragile balance is about to be altered with boots that will carry some 8 fully laden Royal Marines up to 250 miles. Today they're not coming across the beach. They are going to be providing fire support for the assault by those Vikings. Quite important that their approach will be covered by further gunfire. There it goes from the Monmouth. Now it's right in the middle of the beach as that 4.5 is hitting the beach with pretty monotonous regularity as the Orcs will now close. As the Orcs now close on the beach, you'll see them breaking left and right and providing fire support. They come to a stop. They can go from 35 knots to more or less stationary in only a couple of boats' lengths as the weight of fire from the general purpose machine guns, 7.62 rounds hitting that pirate position, builds. And as you can see, the final part of our flotilla, the Sandown class Grimsby, looking to manoeuvre itself to ensure those sea lanes are kept open. Unbelievable amount of the UK's trade comes through the sea, and keeping sea lanes open is a key part of the Royal Navy's role through those mine hunters as she comes through.